Yesterday you solved this problem. Okay, your answer is totally different. Okay. In the stock level, maximum stock level is the highest, and this is the base level. This is the danger level. Okay, above the danger level there is a minimum stock level. Okay, above this reorder level. Okay, above the reorder level there is the maximum stock level. Okay, but whatever answer you solved yesterday in your solution, what is the minimum level? I think it is 3000. Okay, that maximum, that is not the maximum, that is 3000 is the minimum stock level. Okay, then you calculated ROL. ROL is your ROL is maximum consumption to maximum delivery period. You calculated it yesterday. What is that amount? 15,000. Okay. Then maximum stock level answer is, what is maximum stock level? Yesterday you calculated. What answer? Average stock level is equal to minimum maximum stock plus maximum stock divided by 2. Huh? Right. 10,000 you calculated. Okay. 10,000 you calculated. But whatever answer you calculated, by the application of the equations, your answer is right. I agree. But whatever principle you have to follow, your principle failed here. Okay. You see it. Maximum stock level is less than the reorder level. This is not a principle and this is not an accounting standard. Therefore, your answers will not be agreed by the general public. Okay. Therefore, you have to go through the another equation. You have to go through the another equation. Okay. Average stock is equal to minimum stock plus maximum stock divided by 2. You solve and I agree with your answer, but your answer should be in the proper sequence. Okay. You see here, maximum is 10,000. Okay, maximum is 10,000. Below that, other stock levels are to be maintained. Okay, 10,000, below 10,000, this ROL should be maintained. But it is more than the maximum. Okay, below the ROL, minimum. Below the minimum, danger. This is the sequence. But your sequence failed here. Therefore, you have to change the method. What is the second equation? Average stock level is equal to minimum stock plus maximum stock divided by 2. Okay, one more equation I gave to you people for the average stock. Average stock is equal to minimum stock plus half of EOQ. One more equation I given to you people. You remember that. You have to follow that equation to solve this problem. Okay. First, we calculate the ROL. ROL is equal to maximum consumption into maximum delivery period. Okay. This is the equation. I request you to sit by maintaining social distance. Better to sit one desk, one candidate. Otherwise, one desk, one student. I'm recording the video. You don't worry about the lecture. Afterwards, you will go through the lecture. First, you will see the lecture. Okay. Reorder level is equal to maximum consumption into maximum delivery period. Okay. And I'll put the values. Maximum consumption is 2,500. Then maximum delivery period is 6. Is equal to reorder level is 15,000. Okay. Now I calculate economic order quantity. Economic order quantity I will calculate with the help of average stock level equation. Average stock level is equal to minimum stock plus half of EOQ. Okay, I will write that equation. Average stock level is equal to minimum stock plus half of EOQ. This is the equation. You put the values. Average stock is 6,500. Minimum stock is 3,000 plus half of EOQ. I don't know EOQ. Okay, I don't know EOQ. Therefore, I take this 3,000 to this side. 3,000, 6,500 minus 3,000 is equal to half of EOQ. Am I right? You see this. 6,500 minus 3,000 is equal to half of EOQ. Therefore, half of EOQ is equal to 3,500. Okay. Half of EOQ is equal to 3,500. Then you take that half to this side. Okay. Then 3,500 into 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is neutral. 1 is neutral, so you leave it 3,500 into 2 is equal to EOQ. What is EOQ? 7,000 is EOQ, economic order quantity. Okay. Economic order quantity is 7,000. Clear? Then, now I calculate the maximum stock level. Okay. Maximum stock level is equal to ROL plus ROQ minus minimum consumption into minimum delivery period. Okay. You fill the values. Your ROL is 15,000 already calculated. Okay, in the first step. And then your EOQ now calculated is 7,000 minus minimum consumption into minimum delivery period. Minimum consumption is 1,000. Minimum delivery period is 6. Okay. 1,000 into 4 is equal to 4,000. So minimum stock level is equal to 15,000 plus 7,000 minus 4,000. Sorry, maximum. Maximum stock level is 18,000. Okay. This 18,000 is the correct answer. Whatever yesterday you calculated, that is correct. I agree with your statement. But the public will not accept it because your maximum stock level is less than ROL. Maximum stock level should be always more than ROL. ROL is at this level and maximum stock level should be always above the ROL. Therefore, this answer is wrong. Whatever yesterday you calculated, as per your equation, it is correct. But as per the accounting standard and accounting sequence, it is a wrong one. Okay, therefore, it is the correct answer. Clear? Any doubt? You see, code is maximum stock level. Clear? As I told now, in this way, in the examination also you have to check the answer. If this type of questions asked to you people, you have to check and make the rectification. Okay. Then you see the example number 9. In this example, the bin card of Varani Limited reveals the following details in respect of material. In respect of material. Okay. Maximum consumption in a month is in a month of 4 weeks is 800. Okay. You have to read the question very carefully. They try to confuse you people. Therefore, read the question carefully. The maximum consumption is 800. In the 800, that 800 is in a month, and in a month there are 4 weeks. Remember it. And minimum consumption during the same period. Same period means 1 month. 1 month of 4 weeks. 400. And average average daily consumption. They are given the daily consumption. Okay. You have to convert this daily consumption into month, or you have to convert into week. Okay. So average consumption is in days, that will be converted into one uniform time unit. Okay. And so it A normal delivery period is 2 weeks. Normal delivery period is 2 weeks. Maximum is not given. Minimum is not given. So I say that minimum, maximum both are 2 weeks. Okay. Minimum is 2 weeks. Maximum also 2 weeks. I consider it as 2 weeks. And then 2 plus 2 is equal to what? 4. 4 divided by 2. 2. Average is 2. Okay. So minimum is not given, maximum is not given. I consider that average itself is the minimum and itself is maximum. Okay. Therefore, average is 2. Clear? And economic order quantity is 400 units. 400 units is the economic order quantity. What they asked to calculate? They have to calculate the reorder level, minimum stock level, maximum stock level, and average stock level. 4 levels they have to calculate. Okay. First requirement is you have to take the minimum stock level, minimum consumption, second maximum consumption, third average consumption, then minimum delivery period, maximum delivery period, and average delivery period. These are the requirements. Okay. First you calculate these 6 elements and then go for the solution. Minimum consumption is 400 is there. Okay. 400 is the minimum consumption and that is for a month. Okay, that is for a month. I convert it into week. 400 for the month for a week is equal to divided by 4. There are 4 weeks in a month, so divide by 4. Weekly consumption is minimum 100 units. And second is maximum consumption. Maximum consumption for the week is 800. And you divide by 4, you will get the weekly maximum consumption. Weekly maximum consumption is 800 divided by 4. That is 200 units. Then come to the average. What is the average consumption? That is also given in the problem. You don't add and divide these two. Okay. 400 plus, 100 plus 200 divided by 2 is the average. I agree. Whenever the average is not given in the problem, you have to calculate average. Clear? Average consumption is 24 units. Okay. That 24 units is not for a week, that is for a day. Okay. Therefore, how many days in a week? 7 days. 7 days are not the working days. Working days are 6 days. There are 6 working days in a week, and they given the view that the factory was for 6 days in a week. Okay, you read that and take the days. There are 6 days in a week. Okay, per day 24 units required. For 6 days, how many units required? Per day you require 24 units. For 6 days, how many units required? Yes.
1 week, 84 units. 1 week, 84 units.
1 week,
84 units.
84 units. 144 units. 24 units per day required. For 6 days, 24 into 6 is equal to 144. And you have to go for the shortcut method of calculations. Okay. It is 24. It is 6. I am not able to find the multiples of 24. Okay. I know multiples of 12. Okay. You divide by 2. 24 divide by 2, 12. And multiply by 2. This. Okay. 12 into 12, 144. Okay. This is the shortcut way of calculation. Clear? This is the important point in this problem. Remember this. All this converted into week. Clear? You have to convert it into week. And I take the delivery period. Delivery period minimum is 2 week, maximum is 2 week, average is 2 week. Okay, how it is? Average is 2. I consider average itself as minimum, maximum, and average. Okay. In doubt, like this, you have to calculate the requirements, then solve the problem. First equation, ROL is equal to maximum consumption into maximum delivery period is equal to 200 into 6. 400 is the ROL. Okay. Then minimum stock level is equal to ROL minus average consumption into average delivery period. That is 400 is the ROL, above calculated amount. Then average is 144 consumption, delivery period 2. So answer is 400 minus 288. It is 112. Okay, 112. Then next is maximum stock level. Maximum stock level is equal to ROL plus ROQ minus minimum consumption into minimum delivery period. Okay, minimum consumption into minimum delivery period. So 400 is the ROL you calculated, and ROQ is given in the problem. Reorder quantity 480, and minimum consumption is 100 units. Minimum delivery period is 2. You multiply that, you will get 400 plus 480 minus 200. Clear? Answer is 680. Okay. The next is average stock level. Average stock level is equal to minimum stock level plus maximum stock level divided by 2. This answer is minimum stock level is 112, maximum is 680 divided by 2 is equal to 792 divided by 2 is equal to 396. Clear? You write one by one. Don't write in a single line. Your equal to sign must be recorded exactly below the first equal to sign. 1, 2. In a vertical line, your equal to sign should be mentioned. Okay. This is the example. This example is solved because of average consumption. Average consumption is in days. Clear? You see this example. Excel Engineering Company uses 3 main raw materials. Excel Engineering Company uses 3 materials to produce one product. They require 3 raw materials. 3 raw materials, that is yarn and wool. To produce 1 unit of finished product, they require 3 materials, raw materials, yarn material, and wool materials. Then raw material details are given for you people. Usage for unit of final product in kg. How many kg of raw material is required to produce 1 unit of finished product? To produce 1 unit of finished product, M is required 10 kg, N is required 4 kg, O is required 2 kg. Total how many kg required to produce 1 unit of finished product? I will give the example of one laddu. One laddu requires 3 raw materials. One is visualize. Okay. Second is sugar. Third is flour. The items are required to produce one laddu, sweet laddu. Alright. Like this is the problem. Okay. To produce one laddu, what it requires? Three raw materials required. One is vegetable oil. Oil is essential. You take that Bundi oil. What is required? First it requires flour. Okay. Second it requires sugar. And third it requires oil. Okay. With these three raw materials, we produce one laddu. Okay. That one laddu is of 20 kg. Okay. One laddu is of 20 kg. In that 20 kg one laddu, first raw material is 10 kg. Okay. First raw material, that is flour. Huh? 10 kg. And sugar 4 kg. And oil, how many kg? 6 kg. Okay. With these three materials, we produce one unit. Then reorder quantity is there. Reorder quantity is given. That is useful for your maximum stock. Then price per kg. Price per kg is there. If you want to calculate the value in rupees, if you calculate the value in rupees, that is applicable. Delivery period is useful for your calculations. Then the reorder level is given for M, N, and O is not given. Okay. Then minimum stock level is given for the O. Then you are required to calculate minimum stock level for M, maximum stock level for N, ROL for O. These are the three questions asked to you people. Okay. Then it is not possible to solve this problem directly because whatever maximum consumption required, minimum consumption required, and average consumption required, that is to be calculated properly. That usage is given related to only one unit. It is usage per unit, not the total is not given. If total is in the problem, you direct apply the equation, no problem. Total is not given, one unit information is given, therefore you have to calculate the total. Okay. You see here is the when weekly production varies from 175 to 225. Weekly production is there. Weekly you produce minimum 175 units, maximum 225 units. Okay. To produce 175 units minimum, what is the first quantity required? First raw material required. Okay. What is the first raw material required? What is the second raw material required? What is third raw material required? Okay. You multiply with the quantity. You will get the total. Okay. That is the main thing. And we can solve the problem. Any doubt about this regarding usage and output? Okay. First, we calculate the minimum, maximum, and average. Okay, for the M and O, and then we calculate the required questions. Only two questions, only three questions are there. We can solve them. You see, I prepared on chart for this particular M and O. Okay. What is the M position, N position, O position? First, minimum consumption. What is minimum consumption? 10 kg is the required for 1 unit. Okay. And your minimum production is 175. You multiply by 175, your minimum requirement is possible. You will get the minimum requirement. Minimum requirement is 1750 kg. Okay. Require minimum 1750 kg for M. M raw material required. N required is 1 unit, 4 kg required, and 175 minimum production is there. So we multiply that, we will get the 700. Is it? And third, minimum required is 6 kg per unit. 6 kg per unit, your production is minimum is 175. Multiply that, you will get the minimum consumption of who? Then maximum consumption. What is maximum? For 1 unit you require 10 kg of M. You are going to produce maximum 225. 10 into 225 is 2250. Okay. Then N is 4 kg per unit and multiply by maximum production 225 into 4 and last is 6 into 225. Okay. This is the maximum consumption. Then average consumption. What is average? I have not calculated the average quantity. You see here 175 plus 225. What is total? Huh? 175 plus 225. What is total? Huh? 175 plus 225. The calculation is very. 1?
And second row, and
This one.
second row, and
Second row last. 10.
900. 4 into 2 equal to 900.
900. Second row 225 into 4 is equal to 900. Huh? First row, third column. 1000. 1050. Is it the same or I copied from somewhere? Okay. And second column 10 into 225, 2250, right? Second is 2 into 4 into 225, 900, correct? And third is 6 into 225, 1350, right? Then average stock level. In the average stock level, first we have to calculate the average production. We calculate average production. Then multiply by the required amount. Okay. Consumption is 175 minimum. Minimum production 175. Maximum production is 225. Total is 400. Divided by 2. That is 200. Okay. The average consumption is 200. How I calculate this 200? 175 plus 225. Minimum plus maximum divided by 2. This 200. 200 into 10. 2000. Okay. Then second is 200 into 4. 800. Last is 6 into 200. 1200. Clear? Any doubt? Then come to the minimum lead time. Minimum delivery period. Minimum delivery period is first 1 week, second 3 weeks, and last 2 weeks. Okay. Then maximum delivery period is first 5 weeks, second 4 weeks, last 4 weeks. Okay. Then average. What is average? First is minimum plus maximum divided by 2. 1 plus 5 divided by 2 is equal to 3. And next is 4 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 2. 3.5. And last is 2 plus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Okay. Like this you calculate the required things. Then apply the equation. What they ask to calculate first? Average consumption, I already calculated here. You can see this. Average production 400 divided by 2. It is also given for your reference purpose. This 200 kg. You see this. Okay. Reorder level for who? Remember, first you have to calculate reorder. Okay, that is helpful for the subsequent equations. Therefore, first you calculate ROL. ROL is equal to minimum consumption into minimum delivery period. For this is O. Okay, you have to take the information from the O column. Okay, the O column information is 1350 into 4. Is it 1350 into 4? 5400. Clear? Then second is maximum stock level for M. Okay. While calculating the M, you write the equation and take the information from M column. You take the information from M column. You fill the M column information. That is 8000 is the ROL minus minimum consumption is average consumption is 2000. Average delivery period is 3. Okay, 8000 into 8000 minus 6000. It is 2000. Then maximum stock level for O, ROL plus ROQ minus minimum consumption into minimum delivery period. Minimum consumption is, ROL is 5000, ROQ is 4750. These two are given in the problem. Okay, they are in the problem. You take collect from the problem and 700 into 3. Minimum consumption is 700 into 3 is equal to 5000 plus 4750 minus 2100 is equal to 7650 is the answer. Okay. Then you can calculate the average stock level. Average stock level is equal to minimum stock level plus maximum stock level divided by 2. Is this question asked? No. Average stock level. This is the collected from the previous problem. It is not related. I copied from the previous one. Okay. Any doubt? 3 questions asked, 3 questions solved. Another 6-minute time is there. I'll dictate the second problem and you solve in the homework. You see this problem. Same problem. Same problem is there. Only the double of the previous problem. Quantity is double the previous problem. But they ask to calculate additional levels. Raw material ABC is here. Okay. That is horizontal form, this is vertical form. ABC material usage is same. 10 kg, 4 kg, 6 kg. Okay. Then reorder quantity 2000, 20,000, 10,000, then 20,000. See reorder quantity UOQ or ROQ. Then price is here. You apply the price if you want to express the levels in the amount. If you want to express the levels in the amount, you multiply this price. Okay. Delivery period is given minimum and average, no problem. They directly given all the requirements. Minimum is there, maximum is there, average period is there. Then reorder level, ROL is given and minimum stock level is given for you. Okay. Then they ask you to calculate minimum stock level for A and B. A and B minimum stock level. Then maximum stock level for B and C. B material and C material. Then reorder level for C material. And average stock level for A. Okay. You see the table. This is the table. Minimum stock level 10 into 350, 3,500, 4 into 350, 1,400, 6 into 350, 2,100. Check that. Right or wrong? Okay. I multiplied by the quantity. Minimum production. Maximum is 10 into 450, 4,500. 4 into 450, 1,800. 6 into 450, 2,700. Right? Then 10 into 400, 4,000 average. And 4 into 400, 1,600. 6 into 400, 2,400. And these time periods are given directly. There is no need of explanation. Directly given, there is no calculation. Average time, maximum time, minimum time. Okay. In this way, you calculate the requirements, then you write the equation. Minimum stock level for A and B. Okay, A and B. First, you write the equation. Whatever equation is there, you write the equation. And minimum stock level equation is equal to ROL minus average consumption into average delivery period. This is the equation. And write as A, material A. Material A is 1,600 is the ROL minus minimum consumption is, sorry, average consumption 4,000 into 2. You take the information from A column. You take the information from A column and fill the values. A answer is 8,000. Okay. Then you take this B. Don't write again equation. Below the A, you take the B. B is equal to 9,500 is the ROL minus average consumption into average delivery period is 1,600 into 4 is equal to 3,100. Like this, you solve the answer. A. And reorder level for C is equal to maximum consumption into maximum delivery period. You take information from C column, fill it, and your answer is 10,800. Okay. This is only one question asked. Then maximum stock level for A, B, and C. All the three. All the three I will calculate. You see here. This is the equation. You give first equation. Then calculate A, B, and C. Take the information from A column. A column information is 20,000 ROL, ROQ 16,000 minus 3,500 into 1. Clear? A. Answer is 32,500. Then you write B. B is equal to 10,000 plus 9,500 minus 1,400 into 3. 15,300. Okay. Then C is equal to 20,000 is ROL, 10,800 is ROQ minus 2,100 into 6. Answer is 26,600. Okay. Clear? A, B, C. First give equation and solve it. And average stock level for A is minimum stock level plus maximum stock level divided by 2. Answer is 8,000 plus 32,500 is equal to 20,250. This is the answer. In this way, you solve the problem. Okay. Time up. Any doubt? And today I will see the other examples and I would like to conclude the levels of stock here. And see.